Good afternoon. How are we today? I hope you're fabulous. I'm made up today again. Although I'm wearing Mayfair today. I had to go run in for a quick client meeting. So I actually had to put some makeup on today and make myself look presentable. I have my snowflake accessories on, even though it's nowhere near winter. It's like 57 degrees outside right now, but pouring down rain. Starbucks cup of the day. I might have already, no, I don't think I did. Maybe I did. 25 years. I talked about that one. 25 years of holiday cup cheer. I don't remember what year this was, but anyway, that was the 25-year celebration one. And that is the cup of the day. The ladies are at it again. My children been having quite a catfight personality this morning, so have been really excited to deal with that. Anyway, we're going to go into unnecessary spending, or necessary. Some of it's necessary, some of it's well, no, actually I'm going to call it all necessary spending, because one of the items that arrived is actually something we're going to start going into on the 13th. So I will bring that over to reveal, probably put it in my chair here and film from overhead. But let me grab one item to show you real quick, and then I will have to unbox the other things. Be right back. All right, this one, I don't think it's too eventful, but I've been adding to my, I guess side note, I've had a couple of different holiday things to do at work. And for both occasions, I didn't have a holiday sweater. I used to have Christmas sweaters, like the ugly Christmas sweaters, and I don't have any anymore. So I found this one. It's just a sweatshirt. I don't think it's ugly per se, but you know, it fits the theme. And had I had it in time, which was a week ago, I needed it, I would have worn it to work, but I didn't. So it's just a navy blue sweatshirt with the sequins. So you will see me wear this at some point during the season. Maybe I'll wear this on Christmas Eve to the in-laws. In-law, I should say, because it's just my mother-in-law now. My father-in-law passed away several years ago. So I'll either wear this on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, depending on the call for the evening, I guess, because I think we were just going to have dinner. Anywho, I thought it was cute, and it was on sale. It was one of the doorbuster deals, so adding to my festive wear. And we're going to show you the item that came in for necessary spending. Okay, so as I mentioned, the reason why this is necessary spending was because I had an advent calendar that I ordered, and it's a 12-day, and we're going to start it here on the 13th. So once we run out of the Macy's one on the 12th, we'll start this one and the Mind Games floral fragrance one. But I also picked up Hollow Cappuccino, which is a chocolatey brown linear hollow, kind of similar to what I'm wearing, that kind of plum shade I'm wearing here in Double Dare. This is a brown, but similar type of formula. So I picked that up. It was a gift for my birthday in my account. And then hopefully this is the answer to my prayers. This is a new base coat they formulated called Sticky Base. So that I'm going to try with my next manicure to see if that helps my manicures last longer. Let's get into the advent calendar. All right, so this is the first time they've ever done an advent calendar, from as I understand. Here is the front. Here is the back. Limited edition. It will have some mini sizes, and we'll have some random other items. So I'm excited to get in there. And they've been teasing out like what's in it, but I've been trying not to get any spoilers. So I can't wait. I'm gonna totally guess that this is either a nail file or a tool here. And then these are probably all mini nail polishes from the looks of it. So hopefully a nail file. I need some more nail files. But anyway, that will be fun. Day 6, no idea what could be possibly in there. Probably some stickers or something like that, but 6 is in the lid. But that will be the new calendar. One of the new calendars will start on the 13th. So really excited about that advent calendar. There's still other things on the way to share next week. Chanel purchase, which is just, it's Chanel Beauty. So don't get too excited, not a bag. Chanel Beauty to share. Got some, I'll say it's Marc Jacobs. That will be the spoiler of what's coming, but it's Marc Jacobs with a twist. There we go, with a twist. That's coming next week. So when those arrive, I'll share those. Real quick, before I head off for the day, I want to ask your opinion on something. I think I shared, are they here? Let me go grab it. I shared several weeks ago that Poppy had gotten a hold of my Calibri and had gnawed that part of it, and I put it in a quote at the Cobblers, I believe it was called. So I haven't gone to anywhere local. I'm gonna get close up on the damage. So it's pretty deep damage there, and of course the bottom. So my thought was they probably would replace the heel, so to speak, and maybe be able to do something to the back. So I get the email back, so I take the pictures and send it over, and they send me back a quote for, it's almost $400 to repair, which, considering how much these are new, but I don't know if I want I might as well just buy another pair, right? At this point, I'm gonna get another quote. But I mean, what would you do? Is $400 a decent price to repair these? Is it worth repairing these shoes? I need to know. Tell me what to do. Down below. I'll see you at Advent Galleries later. Bye.
Hey, darling.
Yes?
What time is it?
Advent calendar time?
I think you're right.
Okay.
And so should I be.
I was not composed. All right.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Go for it.
Okay, so yesterday's tea, for those playing the home game, was Chamomile Dreamland Rooibos. Now, if it were just a regular herbal, I would have been fine, but I just do not like Rooibos. It has an unpleasant flavor to me, and the only way that it can be tolerable is by masking it with other herbs, but usually it still isn't enough. Okay, so what's today's date again?
10th.
10th. Okay, got it. Now if I can just find it here. Oh, no, that's not it. That's it.
You didn't get your tea out yet.
You're right, I didn't. Okay.
Like, where are you going?
Okay, 10th. Oh, it's directly above 9. What do we got? Sorry, I was talking about the tea, and then for some reason I thought that meant I was done with the tea. Okay, yeah. This is Jasmine Creme Brulee green tea.
That's got so many things.
I am intrigued. I'm not optimistic.
Yeah.
I'm not enthusiastic, but I am curious.
Drinking jasmine doesn't ever sound...
Well, I've had jasmine green tea before. It's a very common green tea flavoring. But this creme brulee... Okay. To your chocolate.
Jasmine vanilla. Okay.
It's round. It's dark.
It's round. It's minimal.
Yes, but it's not white, so it's not oishi.
Yes. All right, well, I'll try that out and see what it is. Because last night was not a Scotch Mellow. It was a vanilla buttercream.
Oh.
Yeah.
Was that better? Oh.
Yes,
I mean,
because
it not being a Scotchmallow, pretty much anything's better
It was
unless it's a
better.
cherry cordial.
but I'm like, now I'm dodging the bullet of Scotchmallow.
Okay. Number 10. La Mer. That means the sea,
Finally.
right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
What is it? A La Mer what?
The moisturizing cream. Creme de la Mer.
Perfect. I need refill. I literally used up my jar
Very good. Happy for you.
tonight, so
All right.
perfect.
And now, I guess I'm happy for the dogs because we've gotten to their favorite part.
I'm waiting.
They're sitting there going, "What are you people doing? What make with the treats already?" Okay, 10th over here. There it is. What kind of cookie have we got? Unfrosted cookie. Almost, sort of, kind of
that's
frosted.
frosted.
It's got a tiny bit of. Oh, it is frosted.
That is frosted. It's
Okay,
a
sorry.
reindeer.
Oh, it's frosted all over. That's why I didn't see a color differential. I thought maybe it would be frosted on top. Okay, we got a frosted cookie, kids.
You want to smell it? See if you like it.
I think Poppy likes it. Right? Okay. We go ahead with this. I kind of want to get a knife and chop it.
Okay.
I'm so sloppy breaking it. Okay,
Right.
so I've cut this into pieces. First, there's one for the big boy. Big piece for the big boy. You like it? That's right. I didn't consult you.
He's like, not really.
Okay. You pickles. Well, that's just the frosting. Come on, sweetie. You want it?
He waits until he's not complaining, then he goes and takes it. It's peanut butter, Mama.
How about you? You seemed enthusiastic about it in the package. Now, careful, it's going to fall into 2 pieces. We don't need this to be a 15-minute video.
No.
Or
We don't.
actually, how long do they usually end up being?
About 15 minutes.
Okay.
In totality.
Okay.
But yeah, this part, you know.
We don't need 15 minutes of trying to feed a dog a cookie then.
They're so cute.
They are. We love them.
Nom, 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 nom.
Oh, she's
Nom,
watching.
nom, 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 nom.
Hey, what the hell? There you go. There's one for you.
Nom, 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 nom.
A big piece for Mr. Boo. You like that cookie?
There's a good boy. He eats the cookies.
Yep.
May take him a second, but he eats the cookies.
Yep.
But the picky pugs.
No, 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 no. And this last little shred I'll get to him too. Boo boo. There you go.
Puppy.
That's my boy.
I want it.
You got pieces. You got your share. Oh yeah. And then there's mine. 10.
You two crackling fire is really loud.
It is, yeah. It's round, it's dark, it's flat on top. Oh, there's the Godiva logo, naked chick on horseback, and the G.
Okay.
Lady Godiva.
Whatever that
Doesn't
is.
really describe what's inside, but it looks like it's a white cream.
It's backlit. I should do a better angle.
Yeah,
Sorry about that, folks.
we'll work it out.
Let's see here. So today's Wednesday, tomorrow's Thursday. I haven't decided what Thursday's going to be. We'll figure it out tomorrow. So tomorrow we will talk about something. And yeah. And then after that is Festive Friday. So yeah, festive times. We will see you when we see you.
Hey,
Have a good night.
bye.
Bye.
Counting down. So in this Christmas time